Welcome you all for my today's class. So today we are going to discuss on a few small topics of gynecology like MCH and RCH. MCH is nothing but the maternal and child health care. The definition of MCH according to WHO is maternal and child health services can be defined as promoting, preventing, therapeutic or rehabilitation facility or care for the mother and child. So it is a preventive, therapeutic, rehabilitating facility and care for mother as well as a child. Those are called as MCH or maternal and child health care. What is the goal of it? The main goal is to reduce the mortality and morbidity amongst the mothers, infants and the preschool children. Okay, so objectives of MCH includes child survival, promoting reproductive health and safe motherhood, ensure birth of a healthy child, prevent malnutrition, prevent communicable diseases, early diagnosis and treatment of the health problems, health education and family planning services. So these are the objectives of the MCH. Indicators of MCH are MMR, IMR, neonatal mortality rate, under 5 mortality rate, child survival rate, etc. The components of MCH services includes number 1, first is the maternal health, second is the child health, third is the school health, fourth is the family planning, fifth is the handicapped children health, and sixth is the care of children in special settings such as the day care center, etc. Maternal health includes antenatal care services, intranatal and the postnatal care services. Antenatal care services, the objectives are to detect high risk case and give them the special care, to identify complications and to prevent them, to educate the mother, to promote and protect and maintain the health of the mother and the child. Services provided by antenatal clinics includes urban in MCH and rural CSC and PSC are providing the mother and child health services. Internatal services includes to provide through the asepsis. Objective is to provide the asepsis during the time of parturition, that is at the time of giving birth. A woman should get the proper aseptic conditions, means the delivery should be arranged at home or hospital, and is usually the institutional delivery is considered as safe, and its objective is to provide through the asepsis, that means to prevent the sepsis chances at the time of labor, to prevent injury to the baby as well as the mother as well as the fetus, to prevent complications, to provide care to the newborn. So these are the intranatal services. Then postnatal services, the objectives of postnatal services includes to provide care to the mother and the baby, to prevent complications, to prevent family planning services, basic education to the mother is to be given, postnatal examination is to be done, HB estimation, hemoglobin percentage estimation is to be done, and we can advise the woman to go for the postnatal exercises like Kegels, etc. Health education is must. Child health services includes objectives are to decrease the child death and IMR, to complete protection of the child, and to improve the nutritional diet to the children. Overall growth of the children is to be maintained, increasing the health level of the children. Services includes immunization, breastfeeding, growth and development, personal hygiene, detection of the health problem and treatment. Child clinics are there, under 5 clinics are there, and the child guidelines clinics are also available. Under 5 clinics, the aim is to give the preventive care, growth monitoring of the children's, and care in cases of the illness. And the child guidelines clinics for the children suffering from abnormal behavior or psychological problem, the special child guidelines clinics are there. So this is all about the MCH. Now about RCH. RCH is the reproductive and child health care. RCH means the reproductive and child health care. The RCH program incorporated the earlier existing programs in the National Family Welfare Programs and the Child Survivor and Safe Motherhood Programs, CSSM, and added 2 more components, one relating to the STD, sexually transmitted diseases, and the other relating to the reproductive tract infections. The program formally launched on 15th October 1997. Definition of RCH is people have ability to reproduce and regulate their fertility. Okay, so people have the ability to reproduce and regulate their fertility. Women are able to go through pregnancy and childbirth safely. This is important, safely going through the pregnancy and the childbirth. The outcome of pregnancies is successful in terms of maternal and infant survival and well-being, and couples are able to have sexual relationship free of fear of pregnancy and contracting diseases. So coming to the objectives of RCH, the objectives of RCH can be grouped into immediate objectives, intermediate objectives, and the ultimate objectives. So immediate objectives includes to promote health of the mother and child. Intermediate includes to reduce the IMR and MMR. Then ultimate objectives includes population stabilization. Components of RCH phase 1 is the first is the family planning. So correct guidance is to be given about the family planning and different methods of family planning which a couple can opt, the spacing methods, temporary methods, and the permanent methods. So education is to be given about all the different methods of the family planning to the couple. So your education is very very important. Then comes the child survival and safe motherhood programs, client approach to the healthcare, prevention and management of RTI, reproductive tract infection, STDs and AIDS, sexually transmitted diseases, etc. is to be noted. Prevention and management is to be done. RCA services and major interventions includes essential obstetric cares, emergency obstetric care, 24 hours delivery system at PSC or CSC, MTP. This is a medical termination of pregnancy. This is also one of the service of RCH. Control of RTI and STI, immunization, drug and equipment kit, essential newborn care, oral rehydration therapy, prevention and control of the vitamin A deficiency and anemia. RCH phase 2 services begins from 1st April 2005. And the focus is to reduce the maternal and child mortality and morbidity with emphasis on the rural health care. So this RCH phase 2 emphasis on the rural health of the children's. Okay, so this completes MCH and RCH. Thank you.